If your visa was refused, can you apply again? If your non-immigrant visa was refused, you might be wondering if you should apply again and try your hand at another interview. You may also be wondering what you should do differently, if anything. Hi, I'm Regina Cocco. I'm an immigration attorney and a former consular officer. When you apply for a non-immigrant visa and go to a visa interview at a U.S. consulate or embassy, you may be surprised at how quickly the interview goes by and how little you may have said during the interview before your visa was refused and you found yourself walking out the door with a piece of paper. Does that mean that the officer was going to refuse the visa no matter what you said? Or was the problem the interview itself? I'm going to be honest here. It is possible that your visa had a very low chance of approval to begin with, based on your reasons for wanting to visit the US and the factors that typically go into influencing a consular decision. It's also possible that your interview simply did not go as well as it could have. You can always reapply. And in fact, consular officers are trained not to discourage you from doing so. However, if you've had, say, more than two refusals, especially within a short period of time, or the consular officer has tried to give you hints like maybe reapply when your circumstances have changed, or maybe reapply in the future when your situation is different, this might be a clue that they think your case looks weak and a new application, especially within a short period of time, would not be effective. So, an honest assessment of why you wanted the visa in the first place, your overall situation, both financially and in terms of country ties, is a good place to start. If you decide to reapply and try for another interview, it's a good idea to have someone assess what went wrong the last time so they can give you some pointers. And that someone should not be AI. Consular interviews are not mechanical. They don't take place on paper, and they do require some prep so that you can go in feeling relaxed and confident if you're going to try again. I hope this information helps. If you want someone to review a prior refusal, please take a look at my website, coccolaw.com, and feel free to reach out. Good luck, and thank you.